Hi, I'm James. I'm going to show you how you can design 3,037,000 websites, step by step, with simple drag and drop. It's easy peasy. Even huge companies like Squarespace and Wix have the website design process wrong. And I finally figured out how to do it right. I finally figured out how to get people to actually complete their website. See, the old way of designing a website was to start off with a blank canvas, which is intimidating and overwhelming. You just have this blank screen staring back at you, and you don't know what to do or even what to say. And that's horrible, and almost no one finishes it. I've been teaching people like you to design their website since 2012, and this is the biggest problem, and most people just don't complete it. It becomes just way too overwhelming. Good news. There's another way. So, how long has designing a website been a struggle for you? If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, consultant, or coach, then this video is something you absolutely must see now. You'll uncover some powerful tips on how to successfully design a website simply by watching this video today to the very end. Tips like how you can build a fully functioning website in less than 60 seconds and design it however you want with simple drag and drop, without feeling intimidated or overwhelmed. It's simple and it's fun. You're going to love it. How you can create any kind of website you want within one click using fully functioning, beautiful free starter sites without the need to hire a developer or spending tons of cash. How to properly design your website so you can connect with your audience, get free traffic, and build an audience. Plus, the one thing you absolutely must avoid if you want to ensure designing your website successfully and sticking with it. Now, I don't know how much longer these starter sites will be available for free, so be sure to watch this video right now while you still can. So what are the odds that you'll discover something totally unexpected and new today? Well, I can tell you this. What I'm revealing today is the cutting edge way of designing a website. It's fresh, new, and different. Now, picture in your mind how much better your life will be once you finally have your website live online. A fun creative outlet, building your business, more time with your family and friends, more autonomy, and money to enjoy life. These are just some of the benefits you are now enjoying. Your website has transformed your life. And it certainly has for me. However, it wasn't always this way. Look, when I first started out online 10 years ago, I was desperate to make a successful website. So of course I purchased a number of different programs to learn how to build a successful website that would bring in free traffic and create a steady flow of income. But month after month and course after course, I would go from overwhelm to frustration to depression. It was brutal until I finally realized there are only 3 essential steps needed to get your website properly set up. Just 3 basic elements to building a website, getting free traffic, and creating immediate cash flow. That's it, only 3. 1, your website. 2, traffic to your site. And 3, customers to pay you money. Marketing gurus can talk all day long about 70 other components and principles and bells and whistles, but all you need is just 3 simple steps to go from zero to a real revenue-producing successful website. And that's what you'll be learning today, my simple 3-step WTC system. So you can properly set up your website to connect with your audience, get free traffic, grow your online presence, and make money. You're going to love it. So we'll be using WordPress, which is the same thing a lot of celebrities and companies use, such as Forbes, Katy Perry, Sony, CNN, New York Times, and Jay-Z. And all you need to know right now, it is the only way you want to design your website, as it's super simple and will save you a ton of time and money. And after this video, you'll be able to do it yourself without even thinking about it. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your website's address, also known as your domain name, just like ours is at websitesmadeeasy.tv. You're going to have your very own domain name too. And website hosting, so your website has somewhere to live and people can find it online. Now, both of these are super cheap because I'm going to give you a special coupon code. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your domain name and getting set up with website hosting. So let's head over to Hostgator.com. Now, I use Hostgator not only for myself, but also for all my Websites Made Easy members because they're super reliable and they have awesome customer service. They know WordPress and are available 24/7 phone and chat support to deal with any issues or to answer any questions. Plus, I've been using these guys going on 10 years now without any real problems. Okay, so what you want to do now is click on Get Started in the middle of the page. Then select the hatchling plan if you only want one website. But if you're planning on having multiple websites, then I would recommend going with the baby plan, as this will give you unlimited domains. It's the only difference between the two. Now, this is really the only money you'll spend in this tutorial, and it comes under just $10 a month. It really is a small investment to get started with your website and have your business live online. Now, you want to register a new domain name. Now, hopefully you've really thought about this and picked a good domain name. If the name you want is not available, keep drilling down and use different URL extensions such as .com, .net, .org, etc., or even playing around with the actual name. Then go ahead and enter a username and security pin and choose the billing cycle you'd like. Now, I'm going to go with the whole year as it's slightly cheaper this way. Next, enter in billing information here and make sure you use an email address you can access, as Hostgator will email you with your login details afterward. Next, you'll see it's added on extras here. You want to uncheck these as you don't need them. And now you want to enter the coupon code here. So enter WordPress Hero to be sure to validate your savings, and you'll see the cost will go right down, saving you up to 60% off your entire hosting, depending on the hosting package you choose. If you decide to go with a year or more, it will unlock a free domain, which is cool. Now, you should know that we do get a small affiliate commission for anybody that signs up, and we're going to save you money by getting you the lowest price possible. So it really is a win-win. You get the lowest price possible, and we get a small commission for you signing up. So it's great for everybody, and it helps support us to continue to make this content for you. Now, when you're happy with everything, click on Checkout Now, and you'll be the proud owner of your very own new website address. Okay, awesome. Now, you'll receive a couple of emails from Hostgator with your login details and some links to different things. This is very important, so you want to find the Cpanel link here and click on that. The Cpanel is where you can install WordPress to your domain name and also do lots more stuff with your website. So log in using the username and password which you chose, and in case you can't remember, they're both in the email you just received. At first, this might look a bit overwhelming. It did for me when I first saw it. There's lots of different things you can do here, but all you need to do right now is find the software and services area. So scroll down and you'll see it here. Now you need to find the PHP selector, and we want to click that and then change the PHP software to the latest one. Currently, the latest one is 7.0 as I'm creating this video. By default, it comes set at 5.4. So we want to be sure to update this. Now, this will ensure your WordPress website is using the latest software. So make sure you update this. Now click back, and in the same section, software, find Quick Install and click on that and click on WordPress here. Okay, all you need to do now is fill in a few things such as the email address, the person who will be looking after your website. So if this is you, you can put in your email address, then your name or the name of the person as well. Now give your website a title, then your name and last name, and click on Install WordPress. Once you've installed WordPress, you'll get a success message that it's complete. Your username and password are here. You're going to use these to log into your website. You'll also get an email with all of this in it as well. When you're ready, click on this link here, which will take you to the login or back end of your website, so you can edit and start creating it. And you might get an error message saying that the page isn't available yet, and you might have to wait until everything with your new website is set up. Then click the link again. Now, this is completely normal. It just takes a little bit for your website to become live online, and also you might have to set up the name servers for your new website, so don't worry about this. It's super easy. All you need to do is head over to Hostgator again, and once you're there, click on the customer portal. Now log in using the username and password, which you'll find in the email Hostgator sent you. Now you want to click on domains and click on your domain and find name servers. And then click on change. Then click on automatically point to my domain to my hosting account. Then save, and you are all done. Now you should be able to click on that link again enter your username and password to log into WordPress, and you're in. Okay, awesome. You should now be in your WordPress dashboard, and you are now the proud owner of an online website. So congratulations. Well done for sticking with it. It's a huge achievement, and this is where the real fun is about to begin. And this is the WordPress dashboard, and think of it like the heart of your website where you can edit and change different things. Now, there's lots of different things going on in here, and we're going to talk about these very soon, so don't let it scare you or make you feel overwhelmed. It's not daunting at all. It's actually super easy to work with WordPress. And I'm going to show you how in this video. So the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and X out any of these notifications. And if yours does look a little bit different than mine, you have some more notifications, that's okay. Just X them all out for now. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what your website looks like right now. So head up here to the left and see the little home. Right click on that and open it up in a new tab. Now, as you can see, it's really plain. There's not a lot going on, but that's going to change real soon. We're going to get this bad boy dialed in and properly set up in a way to connect with your audience. Okay, so let's go ahead and head back to the WordPress dashboard area and go ahead and leave both these tabs open. This way we can see live edits. Now right here where it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page, once you're ready to launch your site, click here. Go ahead and click this now. This way we'll have a live page that we can take a peek at when we want, and it's not showing a coming soon page. So next, in order to easily change the functionality and look of our website, we're going to install a new theme. So the new theme is called Astra, and it's awesome. So to install the theme, let's head over here and then click on Appearance, and now click on Themes. And then click on New, and then search for Astra. Here it is right here. So we're going to go ahead and install this theme. So just go ahead and click Install, and then click Activate. Okay, awesome. So the theme is now activated, and now we're going to install a plugin which comes with this theme. So by installing this plugin, we'll be able to easily customize our theme. So to install that plugin, let's go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. Now search for the plugin called Astra Starter Sites. So here it is right here. So we want to go ahead and click Install, and then click Activate. So the plugin is now installed. Now this plugin has a collection of pre-built starter websites that you can use on your website. So to see those starter sites, let's head over here to Appearance and then click on Starter Templates. Then click on Elementor. Elementor is the free tool that you use to customize your website. And now you have all these different websites that you can choose from. It's amazing. Full websites. So some of them say agency, and that means they're paid. And we want to just go ahead and up here and toggle free. I mean, they have it all. Businesses, restaurants, interior design, artists, shops, pet stores, plumbers, dental, construction, fitness trainer. It's amazing. I mean, look at all this stuff. Never has it been so easy to make a beautiful website. Now, whether you're an entrepreneur, business owner, freelancer, influencer, you're covered, saving you a ton of time and money, and all without the overwhelm and headache of trying to get a website customized with a preset template. Trust me, it's game changing. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this design, and now you can see what the site will look like. Now, if you're ready to install, just click on Import the Site. Now the design and the demo content will be imported into your site. And once it's done, we can see how the site will look. So let's click View Site. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, the demo has been imported into our website. And now this is how it looks. And you can also see the other pages as well, which also have the demo content. So once you've got the starter site installed, you can now go to the final step, which is customizing the content. So to edit any bit of the site, you just have to go to that page and click Edit with Elementor. So let's say that you want to edit the home page. You just simply click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. And now we'll go into editing this section. So let's say you want to change the text here. You just select that text and then start typing anything you want. Now I'm going to type in create your dream website. Now if you wanted to change the text in this button here, you would just click in the button and then do the same thing. So I could type in get started. So this is how you edit text on any page throughout your entire website. It's so easy. Now if you want to update this image back here, all you do is click on these 6 dots, go to Style, and then choose Image. And you can upload one from your computer, select Files, and it's that easy. Insert Media. Pretty cool, right? And the same for here. All you do is click right here, then click on Style, and then change the image. Easy. So once you finish with your changes, just click on Save down here or Update. And now we've saved the entire page, and then we can click on Preview Changes right here to view the website. Okay, awesome. So now you can see all the changes are here. So now you know how to edit any page on your website. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit the header and the footer area of your website. Now to edit your header, it's a little bit different. You're going to head up to Customize and click that. And if you head to your logo right here and click the blue pencil, you can change the logo right here. If you want to change this call to action, you can change it right here. Real simple. Then click Publish. Then we'll close this. And now to edit your footer, head over here, click on Edit with Elementor, and then click on Site Footer. And if you want to edit the text, just head over here, and same deal. Just type in the text you want. Make sure you update any changes. Then we can head back, click the 3 lines, then exit to Dashboard. Okay, so next, head up here to the little home and click Visit Site. So now you know how to edit the header and the footer area. Now, what if you wanted to add a new page? For example, a product page. So it's very simple. All you need to do is head up here, and then right here, click New, and then click Page. Go ahead and title your page here, and then click Edit with Elementor. So now it will take you to this blank section, and now you have a couple of options to create your page. Now first, you can use the elements, which are over here, and then drag and drop them into this area. So for example, if you want to add a heading, you can just drag and drop this element here and then add in your text. And to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop it here and start creating your page. Or you can use a pre-built template. So we'll head down here, click on History, and then click Editing Started. And it will start back from the very beginning. Now we can click on one of these two to add in a page template. Now we've already been using this right here, which is Astra Starter Sites. So let's try this one. So we click this, and this is the Elementor page templates. So they have a lot of different pages. Now these are individual pages. So we'll search for product. And I like this one right here. So we can take a look at it. Awesome, right? And I'll import this entire page. So we want to click Insert. Now we need to connect to Elementor to make this work. So you just got to simply register real quick. Then it will take you back to the Elementor dashboard. So we want to head back to our pages. So click on Pages and then All Pages. And then head down and then click on the draft. So whatever you named it, and then click Edit with Elementor. Now, once you register, you'll only have to do that once. So we'll click back into here, search for product, then go ahead and select insert right here. And now you can see we have the full page ready to go. And you, just like we did before, you just click to edit anything on the page. And then right down here, we have a video. You can click in here and you can change the video. Simple. Or if you didn't want the section, you can just X that out. Easy peasy. That's it. Really easy stuff. And once you're ready, just go ahead and publish. And now you have a product page. We can take a look. Pretty awesome, right? So now, what if we wanted to add the product page to our menu, or just change this menu? So what we'll do is head to menus right here. Go ahead and select that. And here's our menu. So if we wanted to add in our product page, we select that and then add to menu. Or if we wanted to get rid of any of this other stuff, we can remove it right here. And we can do that. And then we save menu and then visit the site. So that's it. This is how you can add new pages to your website. So now you know how you can launch your website by getting a domain and hosting, input the demo content, and then edit it to make it your own website. So if you're ready to start making your own website, just head over to Hostgator.com. It will take you to the page which we saw in the first step, which was choosing a domain and hosting. So just pick a domain and build your website. Thank you very much. I'm James Stafford.